Beginners start out in a seated posture with their spines fully erect. If choosing a lotus position, you may choose to use a cushion as well. Bend the left knee, placing the left sole of the foot into the right inner thigh as far as comfortably possible. Then bring the right foot towards the left calf and shin, bending the right knee as well. Place the hands upon your legs. They should hang loose like a rope with your palms facing upwards. If you so choose, you may touch the index finger to the thumb. Be sure that the remaining fingers are straight and tight. There should be no tension in the forearms or in the upper arms. Rock back and forth, finding a balanced posture. Please close the eyes to a narrow squint. The only visible thing is the immediate body, hands, legs, etc. Focus on the breathing. Notice the way the diaphragm expands and relaxes. Ensure the spine is erect and release any tension in the neck and the shoulders. Observe any sensations or urges, however big or small that they may be. Try not to be judgmental or use a discriminatory mind. Just be present and return the attention always back to the breathing and the posture. You can do this practice for 10 to 15 minutes. And please slowly break your meditations.
Oh, you do that there for dingy.